Welcome to Just Learn Civil. Please subscribe for updates. How to use the select tool of SAP. Define the properties of beam, column and areas. We will be seeing each of these, how they work, how selection tool actually works in SAP. There are so many ways to select in SAP. First method is pointer or window. Let's see first by pointer. Pointer means this pointer, mouse. Here you can select by simply clicking the mouse, left mouse. Press ESC to exit selection. By enclosing window, drag a window from left to right. Only selection will be within the window, not intersecting it. This window includes only these two, not this intersecting line, so only they will be selected. By intersecting window, drag from right to left. Drag from right to left. Whatever intersects, they will be selected. These upper lines are not included, but they are selected because this line intersect them. The working is similar to that of AutoCAD. By polyline, you have to draw polyline randomly by clicking the mouse. Whatever polygon you can draw, but the selection will be only within the polygon, not intersecting. Press enter or double click. Polygon must start and end at the same point. Only the polygon included within it are selected. This will select only the polygon which it includes. Another example, like I draw polygon. You can see here only one polygon is included. This polygon is only included. These are intersected only, so they will not be selected. Only included polygon will be selected. You have to int and start the polygon at the same point. Only intersecting polygon are, only the polygon within it are selected, not the intersecting one. Intersecting by polygon. Now, if we draw a line, suppose we intersect like this, then all the polygon within it along with the intersecting line will be selected. I am not including this polygon, but you can see here the line is intersecting, so this line will be selected along with the polygon within it. You have to int and start the polygon at the same point, then press enter. You can see in the previous selection only this polygon would have been selected because that was only polygon, and this is intersecting polygon, so any line intersected by it will also be selected. Now intersecting by line. Intersecting by line. Any line intersected by it will be selected. Suppose I draw a line, then which line it cuts will be selected. These all columns are cut by these selecting lines, so they will only be selected. Press enter. Now I create a diagonal line. 3 lines are being intersected, 1, 2, 3. So they will be selected. Press enter. You can see you can select any line you want. All the intersecting line will be selected. We will see this in next tutorial. Let's move to this. Now parallel to coordinate axes. This is x direction, this is y direction, and in the vertical this is z direction. Here also you can see this is x direction and this is z direction because we are in xz plane. Now if we want to select all the lines parallel to x-axis, select lines parallel to coordinate axes. We select x-axis, all the lines parallel to x-axis are selected. You can see in 3D as well, all the lines parallel to x-axis are selected. You can see what are selected in this status bar. If I want to deselect it, press deselect. What you want to deselect, choose here. You can do this for y-axis also. Select, then all the lines parallel to y-axis will be selected. If we want to select two axes at a time, then press select. X-axis and y-axis parallel to all the lines, these are selected. If you want to deselect, select them and then click on deselect. In truss, you have diagonal element as well. Suppose these are the diagonal elements. You can see these diagonal elements in event truss. Now if you want to select them, these lines are neither parallel to x-axis nor y-axis, neither z-axis. So to select them, select lines parallel to, click straight line object. Parallel to which line you want to select, click it. All the lines parallel to it will be selected. If you want to select all the lines parallel to x-axis, then you can do it by this method also. By member properties. We already defined member properties of beam, column and slab. If I want to select by material properties, M20, so select it. You can see here areas and frames selected. This much edges, these are the beam. All the beams are selected and all the areas are selected. If you want to select column, we know column as property M30. Select. Now you can see all the columns are selected. You can use other properties as well to select. Frame section, if I want to select only beam, because beams are the horizontal member, they are parallel to x and y axis as well. You could have done this by lines parallel to x-axis. We know beam and column are lines parallel to, beams are lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So we could have selected this from here also. If we deselect it, all the frames will be deselected. Close. These are still selected because they have been assigned beam properties. If you want to select area, we know this is the property of slab. Press select, all the areas will be selected. Now by joint restraint. All the supports are of same type. If you press select, then all the joints with the support will be selected. You can see here all the joints with the support are selected. These all are hinged, so they have no rotation. There isn't any joint with rotation, so they would not be selected. These are for X, Y and Z reaction. These are for rotation. If there had been any fixed, then this rotation would have selected that fixed. Now these are fixed support. Select the joint width. If you check all these, then with reaction and with rotation both will be selected. It means all the joint will be selected. They have reaction as well as rotation. If you uncheck this, then all the joint of rotation, they will only be selected. These are only those joint. But if you press this all, then all will be selected as they have reaction, they have rotation as well as reaction. Select by group. Now I am just selecting randomly to show you how to use selection by group. By default, SAP assign label to each element. Right click on any of the element. So if you want to select, if you know the label of any column, beam or any other element and you want to select it, simply you can select by label. You can choose what you want to select. Joint, then press the label of joint. Frame, then press the label of frame. Area, then press the label of area. This is frame, it means beam, column. Everything within this will be selected. Joint, beam, column, diagonal elements, slab, everything. Now before going to this, we will see this invert selection. Suppose by windowing, or you can select it from here. Suppose I select X, Y. Now I don't want to select this, but its complement, except X and Y. I want to select everything. Select X and Y, and then except X and Y, everything will be selected. That is invert selection. This was our previously selected. Suppose I select this. Clear selection means escaping. This is clear selection. Nothing is selected, so it will be disabled. If I select this and then clear selection. Now how to select using tables. You can choose whatever you want to be displayed. A table will be generated by SAP. and if you this one is selected, if you press 2 3, then 3 will be selected. 1 2 3 4. If you press 4, then fourth column will be selected. You can see here properties column. If you want to select any beam, press it. This is selected. In the same way you can do that for joint as well. This is joint 1 here, joint 34 here. SAP has assigned each joint a number, and this is the joint number 34. Select anything and you can see this in window. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please leave a comment if you have any further questions.